Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Klipsch T5 True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not working or not connecting, or if they're not syncing with your Bluetooth device, or if you're getting sound out of only one ear, out of only the left ear or only the right ear, a hard reset is a good fix for a lot of these issues. Now you will need to set them up again because all of the pairing history will be deleted off of them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get a fresh start with these earbuds, like you're just taking them out of the box new, a hard reset will wipe everything off of them and they will be like a new set of earbuds. So if we want to do that, it's real simple. All we need to do is put both of our earbuds inside the case. And when they're both set inside the case, we're going to leave the lid of the case open. And then we're going to come in on the back of the each earbud. We're going to simultaneously press and hold both buttons for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, the earbuds will reset to their factory default settings.